Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to find kids' books that will read to you on the Bloomingdale Public Library's website, and where you can get information about library programs for your grade level. First, let's go to mybpl.org and click on the kids link. Slide over to there. Here you'll see a bunch of fun websites for different ages. Scroll down a bit and click on Tumblebooks Library. And you can see the offerings that we have available here. You can select one of the available books or that we have here, or you can go to the Tumble search in the upper right hand corner to find what you're looking for. They also have different categories of books available right across the top. Here in the Tumble search, we'll take a look at the categories that we have available to us. If you know the title of the book you're looking for, you can search by it there. If you have a favorite author, you can type in his or her name there. If you want to choose a subject that you're interested in, you can type that. You can choose the language that you would like to listen to. Search by how long the book is. The genre of the book, that's the same as the categories across the top. Search by Lexile, as if you're familiar with the Dewey Decimal System and the numbers that you'd see on the bookshelves here at the library. And finally, if you know your accelerated reader level, you can choose an appropriate book for you there. I'm going to search by subject. And we'll see some results. Let's take a look at the results that we get here. For each entry that comes up, we see a lot of details available to it. They'll tell you about the reader level info, they'll tell you how long the book goes, author, a brief summary, etc. Notice underneath the image for each book, we see the option to play video, add to favorites, or add to playlist. Or in some cases, we see read online and add to favorites. The difference is when they say play video, there will be an animated video associated with the book, whereas the read online will have the text in front of you that you can read along with. This has been shown to be a great way to improve reading abilities, to have it read to you while you are reading the text as well. This also gives easier options for jumping ahead or to specific places in the book, so we'll take a look at that in just a moment. If there's something that you want to come back to later, you can add this to your favorites. This will store it locally here on your computer, and so you'd be able to find it again sitting at the same computer using the browser. So I'll click Read Online, and we'll get an example of how that works. Notice it opens it up in a new window, and we go to the start of the book. If I wanted to just begin, I could click the play button here, but we'll hold off on that for just a moment. We have the arrows to jump from page to page within the section that we're in, or we can go to the chapter menu and select whichever chapter we were in before, or wherever we want to go to. Or if you'd entered in any bookmarks, you could change that. You can also change the text options and the color options if reading this is difficult for you, if you want to make it easier to see. Let's go ahead and play and just enjoy how it works.
Chapter 7. The next morning, we showed up at the pond and started lacing up. It seemed as though some of our enthusiasm was gone.
Notice how it highlights what you're reading here.
The twins arrived with their figure skating.
That again helps with reading along. And you can continue this for as long as you like. I hope this helps get you started. If you have any further questions about using Tumblebooks, our librarians are eager to help. With that, thank you very much. Have a great day.